Today's tutorial, I'm going to cover on the getting user input. So we'll start by clearing this data. So let's clear. So we declare a variable int int h int hs, then see you can see this insertion character as on this on the C in we are using the greater sign symbol, while in the C out we are using the lesser sign, lesser than sign symbol. So I just want you to note that. I have some issues with my keyboard. You have entered, then end the line, then we end the line, then let's run. I hope it will work. We are running the program. Give it a minute. Okay, enter a value, click enter. You have entered 78. We can also, but look, if I put a float data type, it will just fit 89. It will avoid. So that's a basic way of getting user input. Now we have to find a way of let's create a basic calculator that performs addition and subtraction. Okay, now we'll copy this line of code and then it paste it there. Okay, then now I can change. Let's say it adds two integers. Let's use float for the sake of it. Float. Okay, integers is easier. Int x. We have declared two variables. So then now you do like that. Then you prompt the user, say please. Okay, sorry. Please enter a number. Let's say please enter first number. Let's use first number. Instead of writing this command. What's wrong? And then okay, you can do like that. Then just enter second number. then we store that value in the y variable. Then we create two int sum is equals to x plus y. Then int different subtract oh, that's a function, predefined mathematical function, x minus y, and then yeah, so you can read that the sum is the sum is the sum is, then you can write here sum, then you can copy this line of code, and then you just paste it here, and then say the difference. Hope I'm getting the correct I've gotten the correct spelling. So let's try and see if our code works. I have not tested, but let me give it a shot. Okay, 8, 9, enter, 7. The sum is 16, the difference is 2. Okay, we can see that the code is working. You can also add some other multiplication operation, some mathematical operation such as multiplication equals x, then asterisk. Make sure you use asterisk. It's not x and asterisk there, so make sure you use asterisk instead of an x. That at first, the first time I was doing I was learning C++, I used x and I got terrible results, as you can imagine. So the product is, make sure you copy the right thing, and then is there a need for the difference, the dividend? No. Okay, if you divide also the same way, you should get the answer. So let's build and run. Write your number, let's say 2, no, let's say 10, and then press enter, then 7, press enter. You can see the sum is 17, the difference is 3, and the product is 70. So that's a basic calculator. So I think you have started seeing the potential of C++. So I hope I have been of benefit to you. If I have, please like and subscribe to make me proud. Thank you.